Change Crusader. Do you want to know how understanding ChatGPT can give you a competitive edge in the digital real estate market? What distinct advantages can ChatGPT offer you in terms of content creation for your digital real estate marketing? How can the use of AI, specifically the utilization of ChatGPT, help with the Billionaire brand and increase your productivity? Since AI technology is new, most of us have had these questions. Well, solutions are here, whether you're an entrepreneur, a teacher, a mentor, or a coach. Being the Change LLC has your back and understands that many untapped monetization opportunities to leverage your brand to complete that billionaire brand in the making in businesses targeting your audience. You can do that with ChatGPT and AI. Traditional education is not going to cut it, but the traditional education can transform with AI. Determine how well you present yourself and how much value you can deliver with AI. It's just evolving with different constant changes to technology. You can be a Change Crusader. So that's why I created the Change Crusader digital real estate platform that will help you learn how to leverage AI tools to your advantage to create that billionaire brand within. As a Change Crusader member, you'll benefit from coaching courses and sessions, different learning styles and levels of expertise, as well as access to 1,000 different YouTube videos, as well as resources with new beginner guides, masterclasses, and different accelerator courses which are being rolled out in the days, weeks, and months as we go. You'll also have access to the Change Crusader community, monthly workshops, weekly mastermind groups, weekly live Q&A sessions as well. These sessions are designed to help you entrepreneurs getting together with those burning questions, getting those answered. So when you become a Change Crusader, you're joining a group and a community of peers that actually have the same growth mindset, that billionaire mindset. So of course, the fast tracks to success is going to be one-on-one coaching with myself, Adrian Mays, and personalized coaching services for your needs. But AI education, it starts with you. The best part is, it's a live course. So for a limited amount of time, all the future versions of ChatGPT and Digital Real Estate Mastery Volume 1, whether you're doing self-paced, live interactive sessions or one-on-one and group coaching, the Change Crusader platform has a membership that will be right for you. So just imagine yourself with all the AI skills and knowledge to create that competitive edge and advantage that captivates audiences with your content, having different processes automated and just flowing effortlessly to create the passive income you're looking for. Imagine having a Change Crusader in the trenches with you. As a